Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the watch stable. Clean the case back and crystal so debris won't trap. Once done, sit the movement in a case holder and hand wind slightly to reduce crown tension. Make sure to align the case back's mating edges with the case lugs so you can apply even pressure. Position the back so the crown and stem hole are precisely oriented. Don't skip these alignment checks. They prevent misseating and protect the gasket from uneven compression. Next, fit the appropriate die into the one-way closer, match diameter exactly and seat it flush. You apply pressure incrementally. Start with low force and increase in small 0. 5 steps so the back moves evenly toward the case. Watch the gasket compress. You want uniform squeeze around the perimeter. Once the back contacts the gasket, slow the closer and make minor adjustments rather than brute force. This reduces risk of bending the back or damaging threads and ensures a proper water-resistant seal. Finish by inspecting the case back with good light. Confirm it sits perfectly flush with no gaps and even contact all around. Make sure the crown turns and the stem moves freely. If you feel binding, stop and ease the closer to relieve pressure. Once settled, wind the watch and verify timekeeping briefly. If you can, perform a pressure or simple water check before returning to regular use. Troubleshooting tip: if the back won't seat, reset alignment and replace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.